Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk about how long it took me to get my first sale on Amazon Merch, because a few people have asked me in comments of my videos, but they also contacted me directly, how quickly or how long did it take for you to make your first sale on Amazon Merch. I did a video not so long ago about my first sale on Amazon KDP, how long that took me. I think it was about 2 weeks. Today I want to talk about Amazon Merch. So I got approved on Amazon Merch on the 3rd of December 2020. And as you can see here, in December 2020, I've actually made 18 sales. So you can actually see this here is the, this is the Pretty Merch extension for the Chrome browser, which gives me a little bit more scope for analyzing my sales. But anyway, so 18 sales in the first month on Amazon Merch. Now that's not bad. However, you need to know that 10 of these I bought myself. That was actually Christmas presents. And also I bought myself out of tier 10. And you know, this is actually something I can recommend to anyone. If you have a little bit of spare money, it might be worth buying yourself out of tier 10. Allows you much quicker to tier up to the next to the next tier on Amazon. And you know, it hopefully doesn't break the bank. And also you can set your price to the minimum, which then means that you have to spend less. But it allows you to tier up quicker, which then allows you to upload more shirts, more designs, or whatever. By the way, I've got 105 sales now. I haven't received the upgrade to the according to the new changes in Amazon Merch. I heard that a few days ago, everybody on tier 500 has received this upgrade, so they can now upload to all Amazon Merch marketplaces, and I think also to all products, which is fantastic. But I think tier 100, they are not there yet. So I'm waiting for tier 500, but I'm also waiting for this upgrade still. So whatever comes first, the upgrade for tier 100 or the tier up to tier 500, I'll be thankful. And it will hopefully boost my Amazon Merch business further. However, I just want to show you, if we switch to the daily sales here, you can see that, well, this was here on the 14th of December. So not even 2 weeks after I signed up for Amazon Merch, I actually bought myself out of tier 10, right? So these were the 10 sales I've made. I bought myself. I'm very open and honest about that. But then again, these two here, which came in on the 18th of December, they were actually my first two organic sales. I didn't even do any marketing, and it's pretty much exactly nearly 2 weeks from signing up on Amazon Merch and getting approved, which was on the 3rd of December to the 18th of December. And I've made 2 sales in a day, which was fantastic. That was just before Christmas, probably even a bit too late for the Christmas business, but maybe it arrived in time for Christmas. And these were 2 very simple designs. I actually created them on Placeit at the time, because Placeit, they were the only tools that I actually used at the time, or it was the only tool I actually used at the time. I saw this in, I think, Greg Gottfried's videos, and I thought that might be a great way to start my print-on-demand business using Placeit, creating very simple designs very easily. And the niche that I used at the time was the vegan niche, and I did that on purpose because, you know, Veganuary was coming up, and actually I sold quite a few of these vegan t-shirts on different platforms because it was just before Veganuary. And, you know, every year, like in January, you've got this huge surge in interest for vegan food and everything across the board, and also in fast food restaurants and everything. So I thought it might be a good way. I didn't have any design experience at the time, which is why I used Placeit. If you don't know Placeit, you can test it. You can find a link in the description, gives you some discount, and you can try it. It again is the first tool I actually signed up for. And at the time, I actually bought the annual membership because it was cheaper. I think they had a special offer for $99 for the whole year. And I thought that was great value. And yeah, it is paid back for myself. I sold various Placeit designs on various platforms. You know, this is, I think, whenever you start with print on demand, you go through a certain journey. You need to start somewhere. And I guess you normally start with, if you don't have any design experience, you would probably start with Placeit. And you would probably start with just purely text-based designs as well. So you can run both of them in parallel, designing, creating simple designs with design templates from Placeit, and then maybe use another template or an app or something like WordSwag to create text-based designs. And that should give you some initial motivation to carry on. So yeah, it took me nearly 2 weeks to make these sales. Really nice. But then again, made one sale in December as well, another one on the 20th, and then that was quite nice. Here I made 5 sales on the 22nd of December, so I don't think that arrived in time for Christmas Eve. But anyway, that was quite positive. So deducting those 10 sales here, I've made 8 organic sales in December on Amazon Merch, which was even before I started this YouTube channel. And that really improved my, that really boosted my motivation and everything. And I just want to, in this video, I just want to give you some motivation that hopefully you got accepted on Amazon Merch. If you didn't, I've got a few videos about how you can get accepted potentially. No guarantee, but just some ideas. And hopefully that gives you some motivation if you're just starting with Amazon Merch. Just to let you know, you don't need to upload any sort of fancy designs. Just do some basic stuff in the beginning. If you're not, don't overthink things. Just take some action. Upload some designs. If they don't work, you can always take them down and upload some other designs. Because, if you don't have any designs already, then you need to create them anyway. It takes a bit of time. So just upload whatever you have, and then you can always swap them out if they don't work. But make sure you do some basic research. There are plenty of free research tools out there. And but there are also paid for research tools. I guess in the beginning you want to stick with free research tools. But that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk about today, just to give you some motivation and just to answer some of these questions that I received about how long it took me to get my first sale on Amazon Merch. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!